Hello all traders, today is Monday 24th of March 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price opened during the weekend with a large gap during the Asian session and stayed in that level, and during the London session the buyers came back and pushed the price higher strongly. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening had a slight pullback and continued the uptrend pattern. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price have a pullback, take a long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and after the news, when I came back around 9:50, the price was in uptrend and completing this strong bullish swing. So I took 3 long positions with setup T and C on Nasdaq, and also position on Dow Jones with setup T, and 2 positions on S&P 500 with setup T, and all these positions were closed in the upper area of the channel as you see here with profit. So if we look at the stats of this account, we see that it was positive, showing the profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated properly because we reached 100% win rate from the 7 long positions taken. But we can see that the average winning trades were 162 and the largest winning trade was $260. So that's a summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And for the small 5k CFD prop firm account, I also took similar positions with the CFD contracts, and I will give you an overview of this account on a weekly basis on Friday. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.